Uh-oh. You know what that sound means, right? It's time to change the battery. Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. This is the Oceanside Guy. My name is Derek, and in this video is a simple how-to. I'm gonna show you how to take out your old battery and put in a brand new one. It's a pretty simple install, but I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. All right, so like I said, it is a very simple job to do, and in my case, the only tool that I'm gonna be using is the Phillips head screwdriver, but I do have one more special tool that I will be using when I reinstall the battery. There is a rubber strap on there, and it is pretty darn tight to put back on. So I'm gonna show you a quick tip on how I get that back on without much struggle, okay? So stay tuned, here we go. All right, there it is. So as you can see, it's a pretty tight space in there, but with my Sea-Doo, I know I can get it out and put it back in. It's a little tight, especially with the oil catch can right there, but we'll be able to take it out. So the first thing we gotta do is use our Phillips head screwdriver. Here is our negative side and the positive side. So what we wanna do is go ahead and get negative off first. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have my Phillips screwdriver and I'm gonna go in there for negative off first. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just loosen these. I'm not gonna take them all the way off because I don't wanna drop them. So there's the negative. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up the positive as well, so I can get in there with my fingers and just take the rest off. All right, so we're just gonna go in down here and finger loosen the rest. This is pretty simple. Yeah, that already wants to come off, so let's take that negative off first. And be careful not to drop any of the screws. There we go. And there's that screw right there. Tiny. And you'll see this cable right here I also have. This is for my battery tender that I have. It's solar powered, so if you need one of those, I'll show you what I use for that. Let's get that out of the way. And let's get over to the positive. And there's that screw for my battery tender. Get that out of the way. All right, next. Okay, next is to remove this rubber strap right here. It's actually really simple. You can just grab it right here and just pull it to the side, and it'll just come right off. And then you'll see this part right here, this buckle. There is a lip on the other side, as you'll see here in this clip. This buckle has to go way over to the other side. So when we put the battery back in, this strap right here has to stretch way over the battery to get to that lip on the other side. I'll show you how to do that, because trying to pull it like this is almost near to impossible, but I've got a special tool. I'll show you how to make it work. All right, let's reach in there and shimmy out the battery. And it just comes right out. And, ooh, there we go. There it is. Look at that. One hand. All right, so here's what you're left with is the tray where the battery was. We've got the rubber strap here. Again, put that off to the side. You're gonna need that out of the way in order to put the new battery back in. Make sure all your wires are out of the way. And then just take a look down here to see if you need to clean it, go ahead and clean that out. And then we'll put the new battery in. And in with the new battery. Very slowly, carefully. Find the carriage that it sits in. There you go. Perfect. It's flat. It's in there. Good. Nice. We have our positive on this side and negative. All right, now it's time to strap it down. Okay, so here's that rubber tie down, and there's that buckle. So way yonder on the other side is that lip that this has to go around. So it is, you can do it, you can stretch it. If you got some small hands, you can do it, but let me show you an easier way to do it. Check this out. All right, on the battery itself, you'll see this rubber strap right here, which holds the battery down really firm. And then you're gonna see this little metal buckle right here. And underneath that little metal buckle is a little plastic lip. But to put it back on can be a bit challenging. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, one or two tools that you're gonna use. You can use this box wrench right here. And what you're going to do is take that buckle right there, take your wrench, and you can see I have it right here, and I can reach across and down and find that lip and tighten it in. There we go. But here's my special tool. This is a staple remover, and this is very good to use because it's very small, and that'll go right there on that buckle, and you'll be able to push it down until you find that lip. You might not get it the first time, and there it is. Let's check it. Yep, that is on there. All right, guys, next step, we just got to go ahead and hook up the terminals. Here we go. Okay, so I have my connections for my battery tender. So here's positive, there's negative. So we just got to go ahead and undo these screws, and then we can put these on. So let's go positive first. Be very careful to not drop your screws. You'll never find that again. Unless it falls in the right exact spot. You can get one of these and you could reach down and go get it. All right, there's the next one. Remember, don't drop these or you're going to be screwed. Screwed, got it? That was a good one. So let me get these terminals and these hookups aligned. So we'll get that there, and then we'll get the other positive to go right on top of it. All right, we got it all lined up. Finger tighten first, just so it's on there. Grab our Phillips head. All right, good. All right, positive is in. All right, let's get the negative attached. So I like to just grab the screw and just plug it right in there. And here is the other cable. There we go. So now I have the screw through both of those, and we'll attach it to the terminal. And we'll finger tighten that down. Let's get that tightened down. Here we go. And there we go. That's it. Battery is secured, all set, ready to go. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Super simple, easy install. And as always, make sure you dispose of your old battery properly. Look for your local automotive store, shop, and they'll take care of that for you. All right, guys, that is it for this simple how-to. Take out the old battery and install a new one on your Sea-Doo. And don't forget about that special tool to help you tie down that rubber strap. I'll leave a link in the description below. So thank you very much for tuning in. And if you have not yet subscribed, do that now. I've got more amazing content coming your way. And don't forget the most important thing. If you've been watching my channel, do you know what it is? Make today your best day, because tomorrow isn't promised. Until next time, I will see you on the water.